Stocks continue lower early as I speak to you right now. The Nasdaq is down 0.87%, the S&P is down 0.80%, the Dow is down 0.58%, and the Russell 2000 future is down 0.40%. On Sunday night, we got China's Asian manufacturing PMI, and it moved back into expansion territory, beating expectations at 50.5. Yesterday, with U.S. markets closed, we saw the same result in the eurozone manufacturing PMI at 50.7, but we also had misses from Germany and the UK, which both stayed in contraction territory. This morning, the eurozone CPI was slightly stronger than expected, and U.S. manufacturing PMI remained in expansion territory in the small to medium-sized business category, but missed expectations, while the ISM manufacturing PMI fell further into contraction territory at 48.7. Yields are higher globally. U.S. government bond yields rose overnight with notable increases across major global markets. The U.S. 10-year yield moved to 4.3%, a 7 basis point rise compared to the previous session. Yields globally rose as well, with France's 10-year yield jumping 6 basis points and its 30-year yield surging 5 basis points, reaching multi-year highs. Italy's 10-year government bond yield climbed 7 basis points, and the UK's 10-year yield gilt surged 8 basis points, with the 30-year jumping 5 basis points, both reaching their highest level since 1998. In Germany, the 10-year Bund yield increased by 3 basis points on the session. Gold jumped higher again, working on its 5th straight session higher and another new all-time high close, falling just short of its all-time high now by less than 0.5% in the futures. Silver is also higher, copper is just below the flat line, and crude oil is higher, and all of this happened with the dollar up 1/3% in aggregate against the majors. Looking ahead, President Trump is speaking this afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, and given the market's performance over the last 2 days, this speech could matter depending on what it's covering. Earnings today after the market closes, we have 2 companies with market caps exceeding $1 billion reporting, and they are Zscaler and Health Equity. Tomorrow before the market opens, we have another 6 companies with market caps of $1 billion or more reporting, including Dollar Tree, Campbell's, Macy, Polestar Automotive, and Sprinkler Tech. Economic data tonight: Australian GDP and services PMI from China and Japan. Data for tomorrow: U.S. factory orders, JOLTS job openings data, and the U.S. Beige Book.